whether it be regular cell from a traditional carrier or small cell, what role do you see smart sensors having in the IoT?
Yeah, so there's definitely a big shift towards more intelligent sensors. Again, with integration comes, new possibilities. And, instead of having a sensor, the old model is you've got a dumb sensor that speaks some WAN protocol to a gateway, and then the gateway packages that all up and sends it back to the cloud. More and more we're seeing integrated LTE directly into these sensors, and that's becoming actually affordable with the integration that's going on.
Any applications that are more exciting to you in that area or not?
Yeah, I mean, it's all interesting to me. I think that sensor integration is a really key thing to keep our eye on, but I think more of where I'm excited is more in the gateway hub arena, where, as we were talking about before, you've got this rich data environment where you can really add value with AI, machine learning, analytics, prognostics. There's video, bringing it all together and making that data combined have synergistic value.